You want to put a dashboard into the fart chamber here?
Kind of felt like the scammiest transaction. Well folks, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog, episode 4 of the Caddy build. So in the last video, you saw us do the Touran front end, test fit the wheels and paint the brakes. Today, we're working on the interior. So off camera, I have stripped this thing, bar the dashboard, because it was gross. So yeah, power washed all the carpets, pulled all the trim out, and today we're going to pull the dashboard out and start making progress with the Touran dashboard swap. So yeah, let's get to it. So there we go. Camera died as I was pulling the dashboard out, but it is out. So yeah, a couple of things there that became a bit of a nightmare. I didn't want to remove the steering control module and the stocks, so we just pulled the bolts out for the steering column, dropped that down a bit, made it a bit easier. And the hardest thing really was the manual cable for the heater controls. So given that this dashboard was going to the bin, I was able just to cut this section and get in, access it easier. Otherwise it would be an absolute nightmare trying to fish the other end of it out of the dashboard. So yeah, now I'm going to run the bonnet release cable, tied up the inside, swap bits of the vent system needs swapped over, and then we'll try and get the Touran dashboard in. You fancy grabbing the side of this for me? No, just take my this on the other side.
You stink. Oh my god. You want to put a dashboard into the fart chamber here? Yes. Oh.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. There we go.
So we are. Dashboard is in. Stefan came with the camera, so you're gonna have for the footage, but yeah, try and get it bolted up now. Lovely. Okay, this is starting to look like something. We've got dashboard in, steering wheel in, heater controls in. Just got to do the lower half of the dash now, start putting the trims in, get the glove box in. Okay, so I've been terrible at filming today, but made really good progress on the interior. So dashboard is in, one seat in, one door card in. Got the Touran center console in as well. Just waiting for the dash panel for around the radio to show up. But I got the Passat Seats in. I'll just go around the other side, you can see it a bit better. MK7 R steering wheel, Passat Seats, door cards are in, dash is in, a couple of trim panels still put on, Touran seat bases are in, so I've got nice pockets underneath the seats now. Probably can't see it that well, but leather handbrake cover with some red stitching. Gonna get the armrest cover to match, and the same with the gear gaiter. That'll all tie nicely with the red stitch on the steering wheel. So yeah, good progress today. I'm now going to leave. I have to go and meet a guy from Facebook Marketplace who has a hybrid front bumper, which I'm going to buy off him. So might get a test for that tonight. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, good productive day. Be back tomorrow. Try and button the rest of this interior up. Okay, it's late, it's dark, but as promised, just a quick little test fit of the hybrid bumper. So it's a MK7 facelift front bumper from the GTI, put in with the Touran bumper, and yeah, it's a bit A little bit on the piss at the front there at the minute, just from being in storage, but once I have the bottom grille in that'll be straight enough. But yeah, really makes a big difference to how the front end of this looks. Makes it a lot more sporty, a lot more aggressive. Yeah, really happy with that. So yeah, yesterday didn't record anything, but put the driver's seat in and got the driver's door card on, some of the pillars, put the grills in the front bumper so it looks a lot better now. And also thanks to Jeff Campbell, he sent me through a video showing me how to route the bonnet cable, so the bonnet latch now works. And yeah, we're looking pretty good. So yeah, looking pretty good. Engine is pretty much ready to go in, so today I'm going to do a parts run. Not supposed to be working on the van, but need to get the last few bits and pieces just to finish the engine so it can go in. I also got a message from Chris at Powder Tech to say my wheels are ready, so we're going to collect those, see how they look. I'm excited to see them. And then yeah, that'll do us for today. Back at it tomorrow. So yeah, let's do this.
Also, we take the bung out of the lubricator so it doesn't try to collapse every pipe. Go for it. I'm so mechanic, so. It works.
All right then, there we go. Oh, there. Dickheads. All right then, so there we go. The Caddy has the engine in and we got it running. Well, got it started. Still need to button a few things to get it properly running. A couple of pipes didn't really work, so we need to make an intercooler pipe and button a few other bits and pieces up, get some fluids in it. But yeah, that's a big hurdle done today, so happy enough with that. Pleased to see it going. So yeah, I'll leave it there and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.